Students, we will do question number 11 from the exercise 6.1, and this question number 11 is a particle move along the curve 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Find the points on the curve at which the y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. इसमें देखना पड़ेगा rate of change of the both the coordinates. So once again, the particle move along the curve. Curve is given like this: 6y is equal to x cube plus 2, and find the points on the curve at which the y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. That means we should find x and y coordinate. So first we see here which is the changing, कौन सा चीज यहाँ चेंज हो रहा है. So rate of change of x and y coordinate with respect to टाइम t इज, तो x का जो x कोऑर्डिनेट का जो रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ दिस कोऑर्डिनेट व्हाट वी राइट dx by dt, and rate of change of y becomes dy by dt, and it is given that curve is 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. It is question number 1, and other condition is y coordinate is changing 8 times. So y coordinate, rate of change of y coordinate is dy by dt. ध्यान से देखना इसको, is changing 8 times as fast as x coordinate. जो x कोऑर्डिनेट का रेट ऑफ चेंज है वो होगा dx by dt into 8, because clear mention here y coordinate rate of change dy by dt is how much times? 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. So it is dy by dt is equal to 8 dx by dt. Question number 2. Now we write here differentiating with respect to t 6y. So 6 into differential of y dy by dt with respect to t equal to 3x is x cube differential 3x square into dx by dt, and differential of 2 is 0. Now we have here dy by dt, we have here 8 into dx by dt. we put here, यहाँ पर इसको पुट करेंगे. dy by dt का वैल्यू है 8 dx by dt. देखिए dy by dt from where we are getting from the equation number 2 equal to 3x square into dx by dt. Now so we are getting here dy by dt, putting this, so dx by dt will cancel. So 6 8 48 is equal to 3x square. So 3x square is equal to 48. This implies that x square is equal to 48 by 3. So 3 1 3 3 6 18 is equal to 16. Okay, we are getting here x square is equal to 16. Therefore x is equal to plus minus under root 16. This is equal to plus minus 4. So x is getting plus 4 and also minus 4. So our curve is this. We put values separately when x is equal to plus 4 then here our curve was 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. This implies that 6y is equal to x is 4 cube plus 2. So now 6y is equal to 4 cube means this 64 plus 2. So here x के प्लेस में प्लस 4 पुट किया तो यह 6y is equal to 66. So y is equal to 66 by 6. Coming 6 11 जा 66 11. That means y is equal to 11. So x is putting 4. We are getting y is equal to 11. When and next x is equal to minus 4. So therefore our curve was 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. अब पुट करेंगे माइनस 4 x के प्लेस में तो 6y is equal to minus 4 cube plus 2. So 6y is equal to minus 4 cube. 4 into 4 16 into 4 64 and sign is negative plus 2. That means 6y is equal to minus 62. So y is equal to minus 62 by 6. So 236 212 minus 31 by 3. So here y is getting minus 31 by 3. X was putting this. So therefore required point on the curve is equal to in the first case 4 11 x was 4. We write like this, first x quadrant then y. So x was 4 that time, y is 11 and in the second case minus 4 and y is getting minus 31 by 3. So it is the answer of question number 11. Now question number 14 is sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. The falling sand forms a cone on the ground in such a way that the height of the cone is always 1/6 of the base. How fast height of the sand cone increasing when the height is 4 centimeter? तो cone का इसमें वॉल्यूम याद होना चाहिए. Cone, अब जो सैंड गिर रहा है, फॉलिंग सैंड इज इन द शेप ऑफ लाइक दिस एंड इट इज रेडियस एंड इट इज हाइट. So sand is pouring from a rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. So first we write let r be the radius, h be the height and पहले सिंबल से इसको डिनोट करेंगे एंड v the volume of cone. So what is first thing given here? Sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube. That means it is volume and it is time. That means rate of change of volume written as dv by dt is given 12 centimeter cube per second. ये वॉल्यूम का यूनिट होता है, ये टाइम का होता है. इट इज गिवन एंड अदर थिंग इज गिवन हाइट ऑफ द कोन h is always 1/6 of the base. 1/6 means 1/6. Base means this base radius, it is r. So dv by dt is this 12 centimeter cube per second and h is mentioned here clearly in the question. This height is always 1/6 and 1/6 of the base radius that. So how fast height of the sand cone increasing? Height, rate of change of height निकालना है. That means डी एच बाई, यहाँ लिखते हैं डी एच बाई डी टी टू बी फाइंड आउट, ये हम लोग को निकालना है। डी एच बाई डी टी, हाउ फास्ट हाइट ऑफ द सैंड इंक्रीजिंग, रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ दिस height. Now what is the V? Volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now B is equal to 1 by 3 pi and here we can also write this, implies that h is equal to 6 into h cross multiplying r. That means 6 into h is equal to r is equal to 6h in the place of, or because we have to find out h, so r is equal to 6h, r के प्लेस में 6h का स्क्वायर लिखेंगे into h. So v is equal to 1 by 3 pi into 6 36 h square into h. So this 3 12s are 36. V is getting 12h cube. So now differentiating both sides with respect to time, we get, so what we get here, dv by dt equal to dv by dt equal to this 12h cube, 12 is constant and h cube differential 3h square into dh by dt. 12 is constant, h cube differential 3h square into ds by dt with respect to t, and here dv by dt is, we have this 12 equal to this 12 into 3 into, and what is h, increasing when the height is 4 centimeter. Here we can write height is equal to 4 centimeter. dv by dt, it was given, also we can mention, given that, so 12 into 3 into this 12 into 3 into h is 4, so 4 into 4 into dh by dt, so 12 by 12 3 is 36 into 4 4 is 16, this divides here, is equal to dh by dt. And one thing is missing, sorry, this pi is missing here, 12h cube pi. So here 12 pi is missing, please rectify this 12 and pi, so it is 12 36, 12 3 is 36 pi into 4 4 is 16, so 12 1 is 12, 12 3 is 36, so 1 by, this 1 by come in, 16 3 is 48 pi equal to dh by dt, therefore dh by dt equal to 1 by 48 pi. So we are getting ds by dt is equal to 1 by 48 pi. So we have ds by dt 1 by 48 pi, and unit is centimeter, height unit centimeter, and this time second, hence its height is increasing because positive sign coming here, is increasing at the rate of 1 by 48 pi centimeter per second, hence the required answer. So it was the solution of question number 14. And other questions where is some doubts, so you can write in comment box, so I will solve that questions.